Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to copy a table in Notion step by step. If you've ever wanted to duplicate an existing table or transfer it to another page for organization or sharing purposes, this video is perfect for you. By the end, you'll feel confident moving your tables around in Notion without losing any valuable information. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Notion and head to the workspace where your table lives. If you're not sure what I mean, just scroll through your pages until you spot the table you want to copy. Tables in Notion are really handy for organizing everything from project tasks to inventory lists, so it's great to know how to reuse them elsewhere. Take a moment to find the one you want, and make sure you're looking at the full table, not just a filtered view or a partial selection. This ensures you'll copy the entire data set, columns, and all the formatting you've worked on. Next up, you're going to initiate the copy process. Hover your cursor over the table block, that's the area containing your table. You'll see a little 6-dot handle appear on the left side. Click that to select the entire table. Once it's highlighted, look for the options bar that pops up, and in that you'll find an option that says Copy Table to View. Go ahead and click on that. This step might feel a bit technical, but it's basically telling Notion to remember all those rows, columns, and your custom configurations in one neat package, ready to be pasted elsewhere. If you don't see that option right away, double-check that you're clicking the table block itself and not just a cell inside the table. That can save you a lot of confusion. Now we're ready to paste our copied table somewhere else. Head over to the Notion page where you want the table to go. This might be a new page you've created for a fresh project, maybe a dashboard you're building, or simply a place where you want to consolidate information. Don't worry if your page is currently empty, pasting the table will instantly give it some structure. Once you're on the right page, place your cursor where you want the table to land. On Windows, you can just use Ctrl+V, and on a Mac, press Command+V. The table should appear in all its glory, same rows, columns, and formatting as the original. This is like copying a beautifully organized bookshelf from one room to another. Everything will stay in order. Here's something to keep in mind. When you paste the table, Notion may sometimes prompt you, or you'll notice that clicking the pasted table can actually direct you back to your main, original table. This means you've pasted a linked view rather than a completely separate copy. What's cool about this is, any changes you make in one will reflect instantly in the other. It's perfect if you want centralized data with different views in different places. Think of it like having the same window look out on different sides of your house. It's the same scenery, just seen from different rooms. And really, that's all there is to it. You've just copied a table in Notion and pasted it to a new location, ready to use however you like. Sometimes the process might take a few seconds, especially for larger tables or if your internet connection is a bit slow, so don't worry if things aren't instant. If this guide helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below if something didn't quite work as expected. I'd love to help you out. And if you want more tutorials like this for Notion or other productivity tools, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.